Hey guys, Mr. Angelini here. Today we're going to go over jump side kick, one of my personal favorites. So just a quick recap. Our side kicks that we've gone over just side kicking on the wall for practice. 1, 2, 3, 4. We've gone over stepping side kick here, getting that knee in that correct position. We've gone over sliding side kick, very quick step, right? We've also gone over back kick. You pick up your knee, chamber, exact same way you've been doing. All right? Jumping. So taekwondoists love to get airborne. We love to be in the air. We love to jump. We love to do flying kicks. They're very pretty and they're a lot of fun. Like I said last time, when you're moving, you have a lot of momentum. So we like to get airborne for that reason. In particular, you have a lot more power into your kicks. You also have more freedom of movement of the hips when you're in the air, right? So you're not connected to the ground. You don't have to worry about your foot causing friction and slowing you down or anything. So what we're going to go over is just a very simple version of jump side kick that's going to get you going. So in order to do this, you have to consider where your weight is. So when I jump and I'm going to kick with one leg, if I'm jumping with both feet equal weight, in mid-air I have to shift my weight and then coil for the kick and then try to throw the kick. That's a lot of things to do in a very short amount of float time that you have when you jump, right? So I try to cut out as much weight as possible. So if I'm planning on jumping with this kick, first thing I'm going to do is bring my feet together, okay? Kind of compact myself, kind of like a spring. I'm about to jump. My kicking leg is actually very light. I don't have a whole lot of weight on my kicking leg. And that's because my kicking leg has the job of coiling and firing in midair, right? Feet together, light front leg. And what I'm going to do, just to practice this, is I'm going to jump up and just chamber my kick, just like I've been doing to practice all the other side kick motions we've been doing. Feet together, jump up, chamber, just like so. Looking where I'm kicking. Feet together, knees bent, light front leg, jump. See how my knee is chambered? And it's very static, it's very still, right? The aim is steady because I want it to be accurate. So I want to practice that quite a few times. It's going to feel very awkward at first, especially because our instinct when we jump is to jump with both feet, right? But in this case, because we're kicking, we're striking while we're in midair, I'm going to keep my kicking leg super, super light. So here, most of my weight's on my back leg, and then I jump, chamber, just like so, okay? When you get comfortable with that, I want you to practice that for a while. You can start throwing the kick. If you have a table or if you have a couch, you can always practice like this too. You can just keep that kicking leg very light, put some weight on that table or that couch, or in my case, a doorknob, okay? And just let yourself feel the lift. I want you to kind of try to float yourself in midair. So I'm looking where I'm kicking, and I'm just going to jump while putting some weight here. Make sure whatever you're grabbing onto is rather solid. Okay? From here, knees bent, just one. See how I'm floating just a little bit, giving myself some hang time. 2. Just like that. 3. Okay? Once you've done that, once you've got comfortable with that, start throwing the kick. Okay? I would start holding on to something, and then we'll start, we'll let go of the balance, and we'll actually start jumping without any support, okay? So from here, 1, 2, 3. Very relaxed in my shoulders. Remember, any tension, that's your break. And when you're jumping, you don't want to be weighed down with anything. You want to be very, very relaxed. So Now let's move away from the wall, and we're gonna just jump. So from here, knees in, I'm gonna jump up, very light kicking leg, okay? 1, 2, just like so, okay? This is a difficult kick to get down, especially everything all at once. You're gonna wanna throw your body back, you're gonna wanna be tense in the shoulders, and that's gonna throw your balance off in midair. So it takes a little bit to get used to. You really have to focus on being very relaxed from the belt up. And keep making sure that your side kick position is there the entire time. If you've been practicing your side kick in this position, it's gonna be there. You don't have to think about it. All you have to do is just fire off the kick, okay? So practice that. Next week, we'll look at jump back kick, one of my favorite kicks. All right? Hope you're all doing well. See you later.